Stop by and take a look at the 2016
Chrysler 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market
and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
backup camera,
anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry,
steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth,
power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.